Hi there, this is a really quick walkthrough of the Booksy Biz app to explain some of the useful features and how you can start setting up your business profile on Booksy. The first thing to show you is how you can easily book in clients yourself and how you can add appointments to your calendar. So to do that, at the bottom of your screen, you can see there's an add button, and then you can go to new appointment. And it's nice and straightforward. At the top, you can untick the walk-in option and type in a client's name. And as you're typing in their name, you'll see you can also add a phone number and an email address to the booking. If you enter a mobile number there, they'll receive a text reminder 24 hours before their appointment, which can be useful just to ensure they don't forget their appointment and to prevent the chance of a no-show. You can also invite the client to book you through Booksy next time, which can be a really easy way just to ensure that they use the app rather than keep messaging you and calling you. Once you've done this, you can just choose the service they're having and the date and the time of the appointment, and then press save. The next thing to show you is the client database feature on Booksy. So if you click on the clients button at the bottom of your screen, this will be where your clients will appear when they book you through the Booksy app. So it's one of the benefits of using an online system is that you'll start to build up your list of clients, and this can be really useful and beneficial for your business in the long run. If you already have some clients' phone numbers in your phone contacts, you can easily import them here. Or if you have your list of clients on a spreadsheet, perhaps from a previous system you've used, just let us know and we can help you easily import them into Booksy so that you can use them moving forward. Next, if you just go onto the More button, you'll see at the top something called the Social Post Creator. So this is a really handy tool to help encourage more bookings through Instagram and Facebook. With Booksy, you can set up Book Now buttons on your Instagram and Facebook pages so that your clients can easily click to book with you through there. And with this tool, you can create nice graphics you can share on Instagram and Facebook to encourage more appointments. For example, if you have some available appointment slots, you can go to the availability section and just create a nice graphic to let your clients know, and then they can click that Book Now button to book in with you. Also, if you get a nice review on Booksy, you can easily share those to Instagram and Facebook as well, which again can just help encourage more appointments. One thing to keep in mind as well, Booksy will also automatically integrate with Google as long as your business is registered with Google, so your clients can easily book you through that channel as well. If you go back onto the More button and go to the Marketing section, you'll see there's a Client section. So this is a really handy tool to get your clients booking you through the Booksy app. So you can send out invites through text message, email, or through Facebook. And this is definitely something I recommend doing once your profile's set up and you're ready to start getting your clients to book you through Booksy. If you go to the Message Blast feature, this is Booksy's really useful marketing tool, which allows you to send out emails, text messages, or notifications through the Booksy app to your clients. So 3 really direct ways of being able to communicate with your client base. For example, if you have some available appointments or if you're doing a special offer, you can send that a text message straight to your client's phone, and all they have to do is click a link to book in with you. The third option at the top, the speech bubble, is to send a notification through the Booksy app to your clients. This is a free method of communicating with your client base, and is a really easy way to ensure you're getting nice and booked up and maximizing the amount of appointments you're having each week. If you'd like to know more about this feature and how you can get the most out of using it, we'll be happy to show you this in greater detail. Just arrange a chat with one of our consultants and we can explain a bit more. If you go back onto the More button, you'll see there is an option here for mobile payments. So with Booksy, you have the option to be able to take a prepayment. So when a client books, they can prepay for their appointment up front, perhaps 100% of the service, or maybe just a partial deposit to secure the appointment. So this is up to you, and again, we can help you set that up if you want to do that. Another option is you have the ability to charge a cancellation fee. So if a client cancels with too short of a notice or doesn't turn up at all to their appointment, it can give you the option to charge that client a fee to ensure that you're not wasting your time. The third option with Booksy is you can take payments through the app after the appointment is finished. So kind of like a card machine, but you can take a payment straight through the app. Again, we'll be happy to explain more about this feature in greater detail, but if you'd like to set this feature up, you can request this here, and a verification procedure will begin, and we'll send you an online form you just need to fill out. The next thing to show you is the business profile section. So this is the main section. You just want to spend a bit of time going through each of the categories to ensure your profile is looking how you want it to. One important bit is the staff members section. So in here, you can add other staff members that you'd like to have on your Booksy profile. To do that, just click on the plus button at the top right-hand corner, and you can enter in their information here. If you have their email address, you can put this in here and invite them to Booksy to create a user account so that they can log in as a staff member under your profile. When you press the invite to Booksy, they'll receive an email. All they need to do is go onto that email to set their password, and then they can log into your profile as well and have Booksy on their phone. You can also set their working hours in here, which is important to do for yourself as well. So you can choose, so these determine when you're available to take appointments. So you just want to make sure you're happy with them. And also you can see you've got the upcoming time off section in here. So if you have any holidays planned or any days off, it's important to put these dates in here so you'll be unavailable. The next thing to show you under the business profile section is the services section. So in here, you can set up your different services and tell the system how long they take you and how much you charge for those services. If you need any help setting up these services or would like to go through any of the advanced options, just again, feel free to get in touch and arrange a chat with us, and we'll be happy to explain how you can set these up. So once you've gone through this section, it's time to start letting your clients know that they can book you through Booksy. One of the best ways to do that is if you go onto the More button and go to Settings, you see there's a Connectors and Widgets section. In here, this will provide different links that you can use to let your clients know about Booksy. So you can copy your direct link at the top and send this in a message to your clients or share it on social media. And you'll also see there's some options to connect it with your website or your social media pages. Again, we'll be happy to help with this, but it's a nice and easy step-by-step. So if you need some instructions, for example, to link it to your Instagram profile, you can find them here. We'll be happy to show you more about Booksy and the beneficial features that it can bring for your business. Just feel free to arrange a chat and we'll be happy to help.